Hi, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today we're going to be doing a video on this DeWALT impact wrench, 20 volt max XR. All right, now these are great tools. Uh, it's well worth its money. Your other choices: go buy an air compressor, go buy hose and fittings and all that stuff, and probably still not going to have the power this thing has. This thing has got a lot more power and a lot more torque than most air compressors with hoses and leaky hoses and all that stuff. But we got this for mainly just changing tires. That's the biggest thing. You can use this for lug nuts on trucks over here, lug nuts on trailers. Okay, whatever you got, RV. All right, so whatever. If you got to change a tire on the side of the road and you got this under your back seat, which is where we store it, you're going to be king. It's going to be really fast. Okay, so you never think about these things until you need them, but we use it for all sorts of purposes, our tractors, our lawnmowers, I mean, everything. But we store it under the seat. That way, if you do get a flat tire when you're going down the road, you have this with you. Now, the base tool without the battery and all that is like 250 bucks. But you can get the base tool with a battery and a charger and a bag for probably around 400 bucks. But you wait for these to go on sale. They do go on sale. Tractor Supply, Rural King, Home Depot, Sunshine Ace Hardware. Wait for the sale. And I guarantee you they're going to have one probably around Christmas time at least, and probably other times throughout the year. But wait for the sale. Try to get the charger, the battery, and the bag. If not, you're gonna have to buy a battery charger. You're gonna have to get a battery. This one here is 5 amp, but you can get 8 amps. I recommend the 8 amp battery because it's just gonna have more power and more time for you. But these things they're 1/2 inch. Don't get the wrong one when you go to buying these. Make sure it says DeWalt, 20 volt brushless. Make sure it's got the 1/2 inch shank on there. Okay, that's the one we're doing a review on today. We're not doing a smaller one with a 3/8 shank. Okay, so this thing is awesome. Never had a problem with it, and it also has a little LED light on the front. You probably can't see it, but it's got a LED light on the front there, and it's got other levels of brightness. Okay, right here it has different speeds, 1, 2, or 3 speeds, depending on how fast. If you really want some power and torque, and you put it down here to this torque setting, because that's where you're going to get your torque and power from. So that's pretty much where we run it all the time. But it does have different speeds to it. All right, and if you get the kit, which is a nice way to go, you can put your tools in there. Okay, here we have sockets already set up, an extension in case we got to change out tires on the side of the road. So this is great. Keep this stuff already in there. If you're pulling an RV and you get a flat, boy, it'll be nice to have this there instead of using those old wrenches that they give you, those old manual ones. So keep your sockets in there, keep your extensions in there. Same thing with pulling a boat or even your truck tire. I mean, if you ever change a tire on the side of the road with a manual thing, it takes a lot longer, a lot of energy. You're probably going to end up covered in sweat. So, I mean, this thing is definitely worth its money. This is how you unplug the batteries and plug them back in. You could get an extra battery. These batteries are a lot of money. But wait for the batteries to go on sale too, because they will also go on sale. Oh, also you can get these at Amazon or just about anywhere. But just wait for the sales, and this will really help you out. We're going to demonstrate how this thing works on our putting on a tractor tire. Okay, so if it'll do these tractor tire lugs, you know what's going to do your automobile. Just put it right on there, like that. It's got plenty of power. All right, and some more uses for this. One of them is to lower your tire down from beneath your vehicle. We just took this rods that it came with, and we shaped up this bolt here, so with the right nut size on it. And that way when you stick that in there to lower your tire down, you run that with your impact wrench, it'll come right down, and we're going to show you. All right, so to let that tire down, just put this in reverse and hit the button. There you go. And to put it back on, same thing, just put it forward. All right, another use is this is your car jack. It came with your vehicle, and you can put a little socket on here that fits that pipe that they gave you, and you can actually lower and raise your truck. And that's how you can make your jack work. Okay, another use is an RV jack. If you don't have electric, we have electric ones on this RV, so they do it automatically. But I see a lot of people at the campgrounds with RVs with these jack stands, because they want to level. You want to level your RV, and usually it is going to have electric jacks or it's going to have mechanical jacks that you do by hand. But I see a lot of the guys using these for that. So if you do have an RV and it doesn't have electric jacks, instead of hand cranking it, you can use this. And that'll make your life a lot easier when you get to the campground. As you can see, that's one of our jacks right there. And it is electric, so we don't have to do this. But I do see a lot of people at the campground using these when they got the smaller trailers, the less expensive trailers that don't have the electric jacks. They're using this to jack it up and down to level their RV. So that's just another use for you. So among other uses, your trucks, your RV, your boat trailer, or our lawn trailer here. And all you do is put this in reverse to take them off. You just hit this. This is a reverse forward button. Just put that in reverse. Slap it on there. Comes right off. See how quick that is? And that's how we take these off. Get it lined up. There you go. So it's fast, it's easy, it's powerful. Battery stays charged a long time. And when you want to put them back on, you just flick this black lever here the other way, and that's going to be your forward gear. All right, and on some of these batteries, you can push this right here, and it's going to light up, show you how many bars you have. So as you can see right now, 3 bars, it's completely full. And I've been working with this throughout the whole video. And as the bars disappear, then you're lower and lower, and then it's time to charge it up. And that's why it's good to have a spare battery on hand as well. So hopefully that'll help you decide if you want one of these or not, and the uses for it. And if you like it, hit the like button. And we're going to have a new playlist, everything DeWALT. So I'm going to cover everything made by DeWALT on one single playlist. And we got a lot of other videos coming out. So if you want to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. And if you like it, hit the like button. This is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service.